talk about how can you fix this problem on your Character.Ai. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Character.Ai app, or just click on search, then here at Character.Ai, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, just click on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, so click here on Play Store, then you search for Character.Ai, it's going to show for you like this, you will find there update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.